In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and remove a flag from an issue or ticket in Jira. This process is a handy way to keep your team informed about the status of certain tasks or highlight issues that need immediate attention. Let's dive into the steps to get you mastering this function in no time. Start by navigating to your Jira homepage. This is your base of operations where you can access all your projects and tickets, so it's important to be familiar with this area. As you arrive at the homepage, you'll notice a panel on the left-hand side. Here, you'll find the Projects tab, which is your gateway to all the projects you're currently involved in. Go ahead and click on the specific project you want to focus on today. Doing so will open up the board where all the action happens and where you can manage your tickets more effectively. Now let's get into the specifics of flagging an issue. Whether you're working with a Scrum backlog, active sprints, a Kanban backlog, or a Kanban board, you'll want to locate the issue card you want to flag. Right-click on it, and you'll see an option that says Add Flag. By selecting this option, you'll be flagging your issue, marking it to catch attention, and prioritize follow-up actions. This is incredibly useful for highlighting any challenges the issue might be facing or facilitating a review by your peers. Once you've flagged an issue, it's often a good practice to communicate why this step was necessary. While this is optional, you might want to let your team know the reason for the flagging by typing a brief explanation in the text box provided. Consider this as a quick note that helps maintain transparency and clarity within the team. This sort of proactive communication can save time and resources, preventing any misunderstandings or assumptions about the flagged issue. Finally, once you are all set with your reason, click on Confirm. This action seals the deal, ensuring that your flag is both visible and understood by your team. Now let's switch gears and talk about how to remove a flag. Circumstances change, and sometimes you might need to lift that attention marker from an issue. To do so, locate the flagged issue card again on your board, right-click on it, and this time select Remove Flag from the options that appear. This will unmark the ticket, indicating that whatever warranted the extra attention has been resolved or is no longer pressing. By following these steps, you can efficiently manage your work in Jira, ensuring that communication remains clear and that you and your team can focus on what truly matters. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps you optimize your project management workflow.